So what we got here is a Mercedes-Maybach 2024. It's brand new. Just rolled off the lot straight to us to get it secured, because a vehicle like this, you want to get security on here, because thieves will be after this vehicle like a hot cake. So what happens if they get in the vehicle? The car will turn on, but as you can see, the system will not allow you to drive it because the engine turns off straight away. So the Ghost system, the Ghost 2 Immobiliser, prevents you from driving the vehicle until you put the pin code in. So the pin code is fully customizable. You can say to what button combination you want, is unique to you. So you enter the code,